The world's mints are running out of gold and silver at an alarming rate, including right here in America. And we're going to be talking about that here in just a moment. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Thursday, May 6th, 2021. Where have I been? What have I been doing? What's been going on in my life? Thank you for asking. I apologize, guys, that it has been quite some time since I've been able to put out a video, almost an entire month. I've never gone this long without a video in the last 2-ish years, 2.5 years almost now, and I do apologize for that. Here at work, things have been extremely busy. I'm working like 6 days a week. 10, 12-hour days. It is maddening right now. I'm going to try my best to get these videos out for you guys. I can't guarantee they're coming out every day, but we're going to do our level best to get these out for you. I've had several members of the community reach out to me through Facebook, through email, through text, and being like, hey, just want to check in, make sure everything's okay. Yeah, everything's okay. Didn't get COVID for a third time or anything like that. So, and we've got some new employees here, and my old employees like to show up like 5-10 minutes late to work. Well, my new employees like showing up 15 minutes early for work, and I already show up half an hour early, so gotta have time to get these videos out. So hopefully we can start getting these out on a little bit more regular time frame for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump on into the markets and see where we're at, see what we've missed for the last month. Gold has been trying to push past $1,800 for about the last week now. Currently, gold is at $17.9954. Silver had tried for a long time to get past 26, and it's zipping right past that now. We broke that barrier. Currently, silver is at 26.87. That gives us a ratio of 66.98. Platinum has made a little bit of move. Actually hasn't moved a whole lot in the last month. It's up about $40 from the last video, I believe. Currently at $12.4642. Palladium, on the other hand, has made a tremendous run. It is trying to get back to 3,000. It was at 3,000 a couple days. I think it hit 3,000 last week one day, and then I think on Monday maybe it hit 3,000 again. It's back under 3,000 currently. It is at 29.73 even. And rhodium. Rhodium has held pretty steady actually in the last month. It's been trying to push towards 30,000. It's currently at 28,600. In base metals, we've seen some really nice recoveries in the last month. Copper is up significantly at $4.56. Nickel is up at $8.15. Aluminum up nicely at $1.11. Zinc also up at $1.33, and lead is at 98 cents. Barrels of crude oil have seen some improvements over the last month. Barrels are currently at 65.23. Yesterday on Wall Street, we've actually broken some records on Wall Street in the last month. We weren't here to report on. The Dow Jones closed up 97 points yesterday, closing out at 34,230.34. The Nasdaq was down 51 points at 13,582.42, and the S&P 500 was up just 2 points at 47,67.59. The U.S. dollar index has fluctuated some in the last month. We have been keeping tabs on that, even if you guys haven't been here with me. Those are currently at, the U.S. dollar index is currently at 91.03. If you guys trade in cryptocurrencies, well, it's been a wild time for Dogecoin. Bitcoin, though, has come back down under that $60,000 point, and it is trying to recover. It dropped as low as, I think, $45,000 at one point. Now it's at $58,134.30. And Dogecoin, it is up. I think the last time we reported on it was well over a month ago, and it was like 6 cents. Now it's currently at 61 cents. I do have a guy here at the office that does do Dogecoin. He's tried to get me interested in it. I can't get behind cryptocurrencies, guys. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I know I should, but I want tangible. I want to be able to hold it, man. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. And that's always been our mantra here in the community. But I can certainly appreciate people wanting to make a quick buck on cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. So if you're looking for a tangible asset, though, that you can look at the Goldback. Of course, the Goldback, that's the next thing we report on. The final thing we always report on here on the morning market wake-up call. Yeah, let's see. They had that correction about a month and a half, 2 months ago in their pricing, and it has been pretty steady ever since. It's currently $3.75 exchange rate for either the Utah, the Nevadan, or the New Hampshire and Goldback. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the mints around the world are running out of gold and silver. This comes to us from Kitco News. This is actually from a week ago. I did like this article enough, I saved it. Actually tried to put an article out on Monday for you guys. Well, I tried to put one out on Friday last week, and then I tried to put one out Monday for you guys, got interrupted. Let's see if we can get through this, not get interrupted. Let's jump into it. This one comes first from Kitco News, titled, "Mints are running out of gold and not enough physical silver to cover paper," says former U.S. Mint Director. A gold shortage of a global, boy, I tell you, you get into this rhythm of doing these videos, and then you stop doing them for a while, and then all of a sudden you lose your rhythm. Let's see if we can capture that again. Let's do it. A global shortage of physical gold and silver products has created a premium on coins and bars, and this premium is causing a disconnect between the spot price and the true price that retail investors need to pay, says Ed Moy, former director of the U.S. Mint. Moy, who was director of the U.S. Mint between 2006 and 2011, cites the inability of the mints around the world to keep up with physical coin and bar demand as a reason for this shortage. Quote, "Not only the U.S. Mint, but other mints around the world, the Australia's Perth Mint, the Mexican Mint, have all run out of gold. They can't keep it in stock, and there's so many shortages, retailers are having problems accessing that gold," Moy told Michelle McCory, Kitco News' editor-in-chief. Premiums on these physical gold and silver products can run as high as 20% in some places, Moy said, which we're going to talk about at the end of the video. It's actually much higher on silver. Quote, "If you go into any of the top retailers for gold bullion and take a look at what they're charging for an ounce of American Eagle gold bullion coins, even though the spot price right now is around $17.75, give or take, you're hard-pressed to find a gold coin for anything less than $2,000, and I've seen it as high as $2,100, he said. One of the main reasons for why spot prices have not caught up to gold and silver's premiums adjusted price is that the overall markets are flooded with bullion derivatives, Moy said. But it's only a matter of time before the short contracts keep the price down expire. Let me try that one again. Sorry. But it's only a matter of time before the short contracts keeping the price down expire. Quote, "What's artificially depressing the price of gold now is that there's a lot of institutional investors that don't hold gold. What they hold is that they buy gold derivatives like futures, and a lot of them are betting that the economy is going to recover and that everything's going to be fine and gold's going to go down," he said. As those short contracts come up and expire, what you're seeing is a popping in price. And that comes to us from Kitco News. So the mints are running out of gold and silver to mint, which is very interesting because there's a lot of hot coins supposedly coming up on the U.S. Mint's website here later this year in the summer. So I popped up JM Bullion's website, and I want to talk about the premiums real quick. Right now, gold was just a tick, like a few cents shy of $1,800. We'll run with that price. 2021 American Gold Eagle is in stock at JM Bullion, believe it or not. Right now, you can pick one up for $2,082.93, which is about a 16.5% premium, which honestly is not horrible, I don't think. I think that's probably, I don't want to say it's fair, but squirrel's got to make a nut, right? So I do want to get over to the American Silver Eagle though. American Silver 2021 American Silver Eagle. Silver pricing right now $26.83. You can buy one 2021 American Silver Eagle for $40.10. That is a premium of 50%. 50%. Oh, that's too much. I can remember when I started stacking 2.5 years ago, silver was like $15. The spot price was $15. And you could go into an LCS and you could get a generic silver bar or silver round for $17.50. I was buying American Silver Eagles for under $20 a piece. Whew, man, wish we could live in those times again, right? Pick up a tube of American Silver Eagles for under $500. Oh man, that would have been woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Yeah, you can pick up. They've got monster boxes in stock for as low as $18,765 if you got deep pockets. Maybe you made some wise investments with your stimmies, your little stimulus check. So, all right, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think on the shortage that we have right now. Are you finding it harder and harder to find gold and silver in your local coin shops? I haven't been to my local coin shop in about 2 months. Last time I was there, I traded in my V75 American Silver Eagles from last year, and picked up a tube of 2020 Eagles, picked up a tube of $50 Constitutional, and picked up almost a full tube of dimes. So they were running low on a lot of things. They just happened to have that tube of American Silver Eagles there, which I was lucky to grab. But are you guys seeing a shortage in your local coin stores? Obviously, they've got them here on JM Bullion. I would imagine that APMEX probably has them as well right now. I didn't check over there because, for the sake of the video, we in the community know we don't go to APMEX to buy American Silver Eagles, American Gold Eagles, because I'm sure their premiums are well past where JM Bullion is right now. But let me know what you guys are finding in your locales. Be very interested to hear what you have to say. Whew. Guys, it is great to be back. I appreciate everybody that stuck through this last month of not seeing me. Now you get to see this ugly mug again. Melissa's really been pushing me to get these videos out, and now we're finally getting one. She loves going back and watching my back catalog. So here, this one's for you, babe. So I do greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you happen to appreciate old IndieXP Bullion, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me. It helps me out immensely in defeating the YouTube algorithms. Somehow my videos keep gaining views, so I've got some great content out there. You can start clicking through that content at your heart's content. At the end of this video, we're going to pop the box up over here. There's a bell icon over here you can hit as well for subscribing. Make sure you hit that so you can stay notified of when these videos come out. All right, guys, I have been IndieXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and again, I am here to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.